I feel like I got a new car. Howdy guys, this is Grow Bro Drew here, AZ Grows. I'm so very grateful. I don't know, big man's blessed me beyond belief, and my garden's my therapy, and I could go on forever and ramble, but I'm not about that. But today I'm here to show you the MetaGrow 800 fold that I am going to be installing in my tent. It will be the first of the next one. The next one's coming this next week. Here we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Like one knife. Going from there. Pop her open. Let's see what we got in here. You know you got some good hardware when... Oh man, I don't even know. I'm just excited. I know that I'm very blessed. I'm grateful to get to have to work with them. And, you know, the mini sun, my plants love them. So, let's see what we're working with here. Set the box on the side there. Work it. Oh, man. Hope everybody had a safe and awesome 4th. Gosh, I don't even know what to say here. It's like unveiling a lightsaber. Literally. Oh my gosh. Worked my butt off to be able to do this. I know that. Need to get my knife. Where did my knife go? Oh, right there. I know that it's a blessing to be involved with a company that is professional. You know, that you reach out and they go back and forth with you. I don't know. I overthink some things sometimes and go back and forth with myself. When oh wow, how easy that is. Beautiful thing right there. Oh, that's gorgeous. Perfect for my 4. Well, I'm gonna do 2 in my 4x8, but we'll go from there. We'll talk about that here in a little while. Set this down. So, it's looking like we're gonna hook our... Wow, man, this is awesome. I'm kind of overwhelmed, to be honest with you. I really don't even know what to say. I feel like I got a new car. I'm excited. With this though, hey, I'm putting my tent together. I'm in the process of doing some things, so you're about to see some construction work. But the second part of the video here, I'm gonna install this bad boy and get her fired up so that way you can see it. I don't know, we'll go from there. With that being said, AZ Grow out.